What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now I have a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 High Country that we just got done lifting here right at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, you should definitely check out the options that we put on this vehicle. First, I'm going to go over the lift kit that we added, which is going to be the 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. This one's going to have that strut spacer package. So all it is going to be a spacer on top of the factory strut, so you can lift it up and raise the front and match the back, as well as to fit this bigger wheel and tire package on here. When you get a lift kit from Rough Country, you have a couple of options. You can go with the strut spacer, or you can go with the extended strut, which is going to completely replace that factory strut with a new one, or you can go with the Vertex coilover shocks, which is going to give you the best ride quality. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be kind of like a hybrid tire, which is similar to the Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's going to give you some off-road looks and capabilities, but also going to be really good on-road and give it a little bit of a quieter ride with a more condensed center tread. This one's also going to give it a little bit more of an aggressive look with the sidewall. You're going to have a little bit of that more aggressive knobs on the outside and really give it a nice good look. The wheel's going to be a 22 by 12 Fuel Ignite, which is going to have that concave and deep dish look. So on the outside, you're going to have about a 4-inch lip, but then also with that concave look, it's going to have the spokes go back towards the center of the wheel, giving you that concave look. And I really like the wheels that do have both because it gives you best of both worlds. This one's going to have that -44 offset, which is also going to push that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving it a nice wider stance. I really like this wheel. It has that split spoke design, the gloss black and milled finish. I really like the milling going all the way around each of the spokes, as well as the clean lip on the outside of the wheel, minus the fuel etching to the side. It makes it real simplistic and clean looking, which really matches this truck. So if you guys really like this build, like the options that we have on it, you can get it for your truck. If you guys have any questions, make sure you contact us, or also check out more information down in the description.